Hi Diva lovers, and welcome back to the Queen of the Craft Room. In today's video I'll be doing a jewelry organizer. So I'm going to use 4 more at the organized container. I'm going to use 4. Then I found this organizer as well. It's what it says, a cosmetic case. Anywho, let's move on. So I'm gonna glue them together, and as I go along, trust me, something will come up. Right now I know I'm gluing them. I'm gonna glue them together. I want to try that. I have some metallic pearl. I don't know if I can. I have some metallic pearl. It says pearl white. I don't know if it can work in it. I don't want it to clean, that's the problem. I'm gonna try the paint on the bottom and see how it works. So I'm gonna glue them together. So first I just glue together. I did went to end and spray the bottom. I don't like it. It's not giving me iridescent looking like this, so it's not working. So I have to go and remove this. So I decided I'm gonna go with some fashion gem. These I had them a long time ago when the Dollar Tree come out with them, and I buy a lot of them put on. I was gonna use the mirror, but the mirror not working. So I'm going to put them on the side, on the back, go right around. I like it, it's so pretty. Yeah. Then I'm gonna put this on top. I need something to, I believe I'm gonna put some gemstone on it too. Let's try one on top and see, to like give it a uniform. And it is iridescent too, so I wonder if I cover it up, if it will spoil. No. See? And I do it all over. That should look good, you think? So we're gonna work on this. We're gonna do everything gem. Let's hope I have enough so I can get everything done, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what we're looking like. Oops, I missed. So I used the gem, what's on the sides. This is so stinking cute. I have to put some more here. I missed this one right here. That's no biggie, but you see what I'm talking about. And for the box itself, I'm just gonna put it on top. I can't find nothing to save my life over here. Can't find nothing. Just want to leave it plain like that. I know. See, I did the box. I put a little diamond stone there. I don't know if you can see it. You see it? Yeah. And then I have to let it dry because I just put it on. It's not dry completely. And then when you open it, something like this. And they go ahead and put some of the diamond strip right there. It looked like a pocketbook, huh? It honestly looked like a pocketbook, huh? Nobody wouldn't tell that this is a jewelry. It's a cosmetic case, huh? I'm telling you, it's beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, so this is finished. What I'm gonna do is finish here. Put some more stone in here. Wow. Okay, I have to put some more stone here. But it's basically finished. And then I'm gonna glue this on top. I honestly wish I had something I could put on top. Cover this blah right here. It is too plain. Yeah, but I'll probably go and find something to put on top. I don't like how the top look at all. No way. But this is it. This is basically it. Okay, and I have a bonus for you. You know, I love bonus now. Love bonus. So I have a bonus for you. So I'm gonna glue this all together, finish putting on the stuff, some more gemstone right here, and put it on display. Okay guys, so this is it. It's finished. I wish I could find something to cover the back though, but it is finished. I like it. So she have her little compartments that she can put her little lip glass in. She can put her clips. Up here she can put whatever she wants, and then she have a little mirror that she can put on her lipstick or whatever. I like it, and that's it. Bam. Okay. Now, for my bonus, I said I have a bonus. Yes, I have a bonus. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so here's my jewelry organizer.